We have here a Raspberry Pi 5. It's not plugged in, right? But this is a Geek Pi PCI mini adapter. This is a StarTech mini PCI Firewire adapter plugged into that. And then this has a long ribbon cable that comes out here to a Firewire port, right? So y'all know what these things do when they all talk to each other. For a camera, this is what I have here. This is a what is this? See that Firewire cable there? This is a Sony. Dang it, I can't read that tiny writing without my glasses. This is a Sony DSR. Maybe I'll hold it up to the camera. You guys can just read that. Anyways, it's a Sony camera. Arr! Arr! So, yeah. So you can see there's no tricks going on here. This camera is battery powered. I do have an AC adapter for it. But that's kind of not relevant. You know, I'm going to keep my hat on. Who doesn't like a good pirate hat, right? So, all right, so let's get to plugging things in here. We're going to start by untangling this R2D2 vomit. And that, my friends, is going to go into the Pi right here, right? Plug that in. See the cables going over here. And I'm going to mix this in later, just so that you guys can see there's no flim-flam going on here. Now we are going to plug the USB-C into the Raspberry Pi here, and we should see an LED come on when I do that. Okay, now the Pi is booting. So I'm gonna clear the deck here a little bit. And now we're gonna wait for it to boot, and then I'm gonna jump over here to my putty window. And I'm gonna copy and paste things from last night. Where is it? There it is. There it is. This is what. Okay, so it's just DV grab. That's it. All right, so we're gonna restart this session. Restart session. Log in as me. Okay, now we're just gonna run DV grab, and that's it. No camera exists. What? Oh, I forgot to turn the camera on. Okay, now the camera's on, and I'm gonna actually flip the screen around so we can actually see the screen, right? All right, now I'm gonna run DV grab, and it should work. Ta-da! Capture started. Then you can see it looking there, and then I'll pop a different video window in, so you guys can see all the things, right? But you should see everything all matched up. Now to end this video, I'm gonna Control-C. Oops. I gotta go over here. Control-C. There we go. All right. Cool, 124 megabytes. Which, in the grand scheme of things, is not a whole lot. All right, I'm going to unplug the Firewire now because I just don't want the cable in my way, right? Put that camera someplace out of the way over here. So now what we have to do is we have to get that file off of the computer. So this is FileZilla. It works great for getting files off of things. Oh, really? So if I hit refresh here, okay, it does DV grab 01. That was from last night. DV grab 02. And we are gonna dump this in video. And if I did this video right, this is like after the fact, after it's playing. That's my video presentation. Leave your comments and like and subscribe to my channel. And you know, you should be seeing a device and seeing more of this coming out in the near future. All right, guys.